This is the Caracal, a medium-sized wild cat built for spee and surprise.
Its long black ear tufts enhance hearing and signal intent. Every sound matters.
The Caracal hunts alone. It relies on patience, stealth, and perfect timing. In a single leap, it can snatch birds straight from the sky. Few hunters can match this skill. Once the hunt ends, silence returns. The desert breathes again.
On land, speed becomes its weapon. The chase is short and deadly.
Silent, agile, precise. The Caracal, master of the vertical hunt.